Ito yung itsura niya kapag natuyo na. Ito yung bagong apply. Medyo nagkikling siya sa... May radiant glow siya. It doesn't transfer. It blends well with the other products that I layered. Hi guys! So, bago ako umalis ng bahay, tayo ay mag-a-apply ng ating sunscreen. And saktong-sakto naman kasi kakarating lang itong mga products from Envy. Ito yung kanilang bagong Base for Face SPF 50 PA++++. So, meron siyang niacinamide, Centella asiatica, hyaluronic acid, skin tint plus sunscreen with skin lightening actives. So, nakalagay siya dito sa cute na pouch na to. So, 5 yung shades nito. So, for sure, meron kayong shade na magmamatch sa skin tone nyo. Ayan. They are also kind enough to send me one of my favorite sponges na gamitin sa aking makeup. Yung Envy sponges nila. And then, yung ating mirror na gagamitin. Excuse me. Chinek ko yung price, less than 300 pesos depending on your deal. Syempre, if you watch their live videos, mas mababa. Pag may mga monthly deals, mas makakamura kayo kasi may mga sales sila. Sabi nila dito, this is lightweight and has a powder finish. So, yung component niya nasa squeeze tube. So, it's easier to apply. Parang regular sunscreen mo lang. So, yan yung Maverick Rose. Okay. Brute Dandy, sorry. So, ito yung shade niya. Okay, bakit ko sinaswatch sa tattooed side ng arm ko? Kasi mas makikita nyo yung coverage pag dito sa may tattoo na side. Sandstrong is next. Yeah. Then, Sentinel Taupe. So, this is a bit runny, yung Sentinel Taupe. Or medyo, siguro nakalimutan ko lang siya i-shake. Ayun. Yun. And then, Deep Gambit. So, this is their deepest shade. Real-time blending. Hindi masyado nag-register si Maverick. So, these are the 5 shades. Ayan. So, kita nyo yung coverage niya. Very sheer. Meron siyang consistency nga na almost lotion type, sunscreen type. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging ka-shade ko dito. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo red yung face ko as compared to my neck. It's my jeans. Yun yung Spanish jeans ko. Mapula talaga yung face ko. So, feeling ko itong Sentinel Taupe ang magmamatch. Pwede rin si Sandstrong. So, pwede itong dalawa na to. Or, pwede rin si si Brute. To cancel out. Ayan, no? Mas ka-match siya. Para lang ma-cancel out yung redness. We'll see. Check ko muna. So, for reference, ang skin type ko ay oily. May mga dry areas na ako. Medyo combination kasi may mga skincare ako ginagamit kaya na makes this area of my face a little bit dry. But you can use your fingers, of course. You can use a damp sponge. Pero I prefer a dry sponge pag mga runny na products, no? So, try muna natin using my fingers on this side of my face. Medyo good skin day ako ngayon. Kaya kahit na meron akong pimple mark dyan, gusto ko siyang mag-show up. Ayoko siyang i-cover. Should I apply this using the 2-finger method? Kasi sunscreen siya or definitely glowy? Nice. Nangugustuhan ko siya. Feeling ko nagpaka-ambisyoso ako dun sa shade ko. Pero I feel like it matched. Nagseset siya. Okay. Ayan, nafe-feel ko siyang nagseset. So, na-even out niya yung, na-tone down niya yung redness. Still my skin tone. Medyo nag-match na yung warmth or yung yellowness ng aking overall skin tone sa aking face. Kasi nga yellow yung undertone ng skin tint na ginamit natin. So, ayan. Medyo nag-match na siya. Ito ayan, kitang-kita nyo. Ito, mapula. Ayan, na-tone down na niya. Nice. You can still see my skin. Ayan pa rin yung pimple mark. Mas radiant siya. Ayan, it's starting to set. Okay, so ito yung itsura niya nung medyo natuyo na sa hands ko. Ito yung itsura niya sa face when applied. Tingnan natin yung itsura niya yung fresh from the tube. So ito yung difference. Kung feeling nyo hindi magmamatch si Brute Dandy, ito yung itsura niya kapag natuyo na, ito yung bagong apply. Ayan, yung difference. Since mas warm yung kinalabasan niya, kaya siya mas nag-match and mas na-cancel out niya yung redness ng aking face. So, apply naman natin on this side using a sponge. Hindi naman ako gumagamit ng sponge pag skin tint kasi meant nga siya to be applied using your fingers. Given, pag sponge yung gamit, syempre mas nasi-shear out niya yung product. Ayan, mas lalo pang napanipis. So, mas gusto ko siyang gamitan ng fingers lang in this case. Pero papatuan ko pa. So, ito yung side na sponge yung gamit. Ito yung fingers lang yung gamit. Slight difference. Sobrang sheer nung application ng sponge. And dito sa left side, yan, mas kita yung opacity. So, apply natin using my fingers kasi mas kailangan ko ma-cancel out yung redness. Ayan. And mas may control kapag fingers yung gamit since nasa moisturizer sunscreen yung texture niya. Madali lang siyang ma-apply. Ayan, nag-match na. So, sabi sa packaging niya, you should apply it every 4 hours. So, okay na okay to if, ayan, no, ayan yung difference ng mga shades. Ito yung bago, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo, ito yung kanina ko pang in-apply. Lagyan na tayo sa forehead. Okay, so kapag ina-apply nyo siya, make sure to spread it evenly. Kasi when it dries, ayan o, medyo nagkikling siya sa nagbabalat na areas ko. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ko tong i-moisturize bago i-apply yung skin tint. Okay, definitely walang white cast kasi nga merong tint yung kanilang sunscreen. I will let this sit for a couple of minutes and titingnan ko kung magta-transfer or whatnot. Wala namang kinlaim na transfer proof. Pero titingnan ko lang kung magta-transfer siya. So, ayan yung tsura ng skin natin after application. May radiant glow siya, pero hindi siya sticky. Pero mas refined, mas toned down yung imperfections such as yung redness in my case. It doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup. So, okay na okay to if beginner ka sa makeup, you're trying to figure out what to use. Base for face, lagi naman ng Envy, ease of use ang panglaban nila. Affordability, yung performance ng products, nagsa-stand out sa akin sa Envy. So, ayan, nag-dry na siya. Let's see if it will transfer. Mas nag-transfer pa yung lip tint ko. Wala. Uy, kapag binlat mo siya, ayan tingnan nyo pag binlat mo siya, ayan, pag pinrest mo yung tissue, mas nagiging matte siya. That's cool. So, I would suggest na before setting your face, if you have an oily skin type like I do, blot nyo muna siya to get rid of the excess shine. Ayan no, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng pag binlat mo siya ng ganun. Right after application, nawawala yung shine. Pero, ayan, it doesn't transfer. It will leave your skin looking even pag nag-dry na siya. Nice! Nice. I will finish the rest of my face. Maglalagay lang ako ng konting bronzer. Probably a little bit of concealer under my eyes. Blush, I badly need blush kasi medyo maputla ako pag wala. And then I will set my face. But right after setting my face, I will get back to you guys and see kung ano yung ating final look before I head out. Dahil nga meron akong oily skin type, lagi kong dala-dala tong Envy Blur Balm. Ayan, medyo nagpasensya nyo na. So, pat ko lang siya para lang mag-mattify ako. Mas prefer ko talaga yung face ko na medyo matte. Pero okay lang sa akin yung may ganyan, may konting radiant glow. And then, I will set my face with a setting spray para mag-last siya the whole day. Yan yung itsura ng skin natin right after. It blends well with the other products that I layered top of the base for face. Walang white cast, it's very lightweight. Merong skin-loving ingredients. May powder finish. And it looks good. Another viral product na naman ni Envy to. So, they sent me the products to try, pero this is not a sponsored video. Marirecommend ko siya, kaya if you guys want to check them out, ito yung Yellow Basket. Andun lahat ng shades, prices. Depende sa inyo kung ba may mga sale kayo dyan, kaya check nyo na lang. I'll see you guys on my next video, and I'm gonna be heading out now.